everybody, welcome back to Tech and Prep. Your computer is about to get a new rule. It wants to know how old you are, not a website, not an app, your operating system. There are new laws rolling out in the US. It might not accept no for an answer. This could change how every device, Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome, even Linux, works starting in 2027. California, good old California, has passed the Digital Age Assurance Act, a law requiring operating systems to ask for your age during setup. Not for kids, for everyone. Your OS will share an age bracket under 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 18, and over 18. This means an app can no longer pretend they don't know the user's age. They'll be legally responsible for treating minors differently. Why does this matter? This is not just a California thing. Tech companies don't build 50 versions of Windows or Android, so privacy experts are telling us if California requires it, the entire world will get it. The Electronic Frontier Foundation says this could force companies to implement stricter verification, even though the law doesn't explicitly require IDs. Why? Because companies face penalties if minors lie. So they're going to have to push for government ID scans, credit card checks, facial recognition, or third-party verification systems, all during the OS setup and login. Colorado and Illinois are considering similar laws. New York wants a commercially reasonable age assurance, which could mean mandatory ID checks, and as a federal bill, the Parents Decide Act would require age verification nationwide if passed. This could turn age checks into a default requirement for every new device sold in the United States. Open source folks are sounding the alarm. Linux distributions, many built by volunteers, could be legally forced to add age collection systems they don't want and they can't afford to do. Some projects say they're going to block downloads from states within these laws. Others ones could kill privacy-focused operating systems. No shit. Supporters say this protects kids. Critics say it creates a world where anonymous computing disappears. Either way, this will put your personal biometric and private data into the hands of thousands and thousands and thousands of other companies, third-party companies and large companies. And if you've been listening to any of the videos on this channel, they get breached all the time. So when you turn on your new device, the first question I ask you is, how old are you? And you have to answer.